To check your transaction history on Google One, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate through the process quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Open Google One app. Launch the Google One app on your mobile device. If you don't have it installed, download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Step 2. Sign in. If you're not already signed in, enter your Google account credentials to access your Google One account. Step 3. Access account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Navigate to Payments. In the account settings, look for the Payments or Billing section. Tap on it to view your payment information and transaction history. Step 5. View Transaction History. In the Payments section, you will see a list of your transactions. You can scroll through to find specific transactions or filter by date to see your history. Now you can easily check your transaction history on Google One. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore the help section within the app.